Hello everyone, this is Jesica Montes from the HR department. You're watching Tape 5, episode 33.
Hey y'all, another reminder to go check out our product locator. Make sure your friends, your family, your friends on social, they all know where to find Nature's Greens. Send them this link and they can look up which stores have Nature's Greens where they live, and let's make sure that all of our friends and family are taken care of this Thanksgiving with the right leafy greens, with the best leafy greens, and we hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Hi everyone, I am Daisy Aranda. I am the H2A Coordinator for the company. We wanted to let you guys know that both Brooke Rish and I have been certified notaries recently, so please feel free to stop by the HR office if you need any notary services.
All right, everybody, we know that a lot of people are going to be buying leafy greens around the Thanksgiving holiday, and a lot of people probably only know one or two ways to cook leafy greens because this might be the only time of the year that they eat leafy greens. So if that person is a relative, a friend, an acquaintance on Facebook, or whatever social media you're on, let's guide them to our website, raw.net/recipes. Let's help them out. Let's show them some different ways that they can enjoy leafy greens beyond the one or two ways they know how on Thanksgiving, so that when they have any extra left over in the bag or in a container, they can use it all and find new ways to enjoy leafy greens. Again, that's raw.net/recipes. Make sure you have that link on hand to be able to share and point people to this holiday season. Hey everybody, I want to encourage you to go check out our recipe of the month that you can find at raw.net/recipes. It is a Kale Artichoke Dip. This one is from our registered dietitian partner, Cassidy Reeser, and it's definitely one that you will want to try out. One that you can have while watching your favorite team play on Saturday or Sundays this fall, and one that I think the whole family is going to enjoy, particularly anybody who doesn't usually eat leafy greens. This could be a great recipe to get them on board. So go check it out. It's on our website. It'll be easy to find. If you have trouble finding it, just Google Kale Artichoke Dip, Nature's Greens, and it'll pop up.
Hey everybody, Karen Porth here reporting for the Transportation Department at WP Rawl. Speaking of transportation, our team wanted to send a big shout out to Jason Baker and his team over at the shop there in Pillion, South Carolina. Jason, to you and your guys, we know that you are working long hours and late days trying to keep our trucks running properly and safely for our drivers who are out delivering fresh leafy greens all over the country. So for that, we are very appreciative. We thank you for all that you do, and we just wanted to make sure you guys knew it. We are heading into the busy season, so I know we're going to be keeping you guys a lot busier here. So thank you again for all that y'all do. Hope everybody has a good day. Everybody stay safe, wear your hand sanitizer, wear your mask, and social distance. And until next time, take care.